So this is the solution for last week's class. Last week's class we were trying to build a transformer, and the transformer secondary could be represented by two voltage sources like V1 and V2, representing here L2 and L3. So if I check the voltage here, it's 0 to 9 volts. This is keeping the reference here and measuring this voltage. But for the connection that we did, we connected the primary, the secondary first turns to the other secondary. We weren't using the center tap. So if I would keep this as my reference, take this voltage, it's 18 volts, and that's sufficient for me to turn on my 6 LEDs. And the current provided to the LED is the small, so if I could see here, there's a small drop, and this drop in voltage is the drop that gives me the current across my diodes. So the average current is 17 milliamps. So I could have connected all the LEDs in either this direction or this direction. The only difference is here I've taken this as my reference, and I can measure this voltage, and in this circuit I'd be taking this as my reference and measuring this voltage. It will still light up the LED in both cases. So on my transformer's representation, keep this as my reference and measuring this voltage, and the voltage after the resistor, you could see a small drop, the same drop that we saw here, and this is the drop responsible for the current that goes through my LEDs.